welcome back to my channel, and today I have this very special video for you guys. So today I did this look today. It's pretty much all like blue, and I just been loving blue lately, so you guys are gonna see a lot of blue on my channel, so just a warning. So today I use this palette right here. It's the new Morphe 35H Hotspot. I think this is only exclusive in Ulta, so you guys can find this on Ulta or online or in store, I believe. But I picked up this my local Ulta store. This is what it looks like on the inside. Super pretty. You got cool tone, a little bit of green and blue, and then more like a pink tone and reddish. I'm freaking obsessed with this palette. So I also did a review on this foundation right here, this Juvia'S plate. I freaking love this foundation. First of all, because super full coverage. I just love the way that like the color range is like so perfect. Like, I mean, obviously this one you guys will see in the video that it's a little bit light for me. Actually there's a lot lighter than me, but I did already order a different shade. I think it's gonna be the 510. This one is 530, so definitely a lot lighter than me, but I can make it work by using like a lot of bronzer and contour, but definitely still too light for me. So I also picked this up right here. Is the Major Glow Highlighting Mist. This is the shade We Need Her. So it's like a little face mist and stuff. I also picked up their body oils, and definitely I was not gonna get this fan because it is, I mean, it's $22 fan, but it's so cute. It's like a hard little, not like a metal, but like a plastic. But I just love the color. The rose gold is like always my favorite color. Anyway, so if you guys would like to see how I create this look and how I use the products in this video, please keep on watching. And thank you so much you guys for watching. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one.